see that. That's right. But a couple guys bought a Windsor back 5,000 kilometers. Well, off the fast motors. Okay, take it. No, it's 16-year-old top line. So now it's right instead.
Absolute top speed, you know, for the roads, maybe down your way is a little better, but out here, I wouldn't want to get caught speeding at that point.
Well, I figure the odds of getting caught. Yeah. You might get clocked, but I don't know about caught.
Unless there's a roadblock like that.
No, he just coming up the side. I can just see it.
Jack next.
Last time Warren and Reno came up, they got into a fight. They got beat up.
Oh yeah, I remember this one, yeah. Hey, come here. Can't laugh.
I didn't know sleeping. See, Bob, we could have hung out
Look at it, that's
with
my
Frank
life.
last night. Look at that. Goes and gets food. Look at us any. All right, I don't know. Man, here we're going to start chilling. No, because you see that, I can see the angle it's going in. It's no good.
Well, you know what I'm going to do?
Yeah. Take it off. Here. Take the whole foot shake assembly off, and then we're going to line it up. Turn it upside down, we can line it up. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's like we get money, though.
You mean we can't eat till we get back to
Oh, Bill, how are you?
No, we can't do anything.
Where are you again, huh?
Still at it, eh?
You know what? Last year I quit, and I don't see a race since.
Until this year? Until the
Under the Friday, I saw a racing bike. Very soon, very soon.
Because he'll lead them as they
yesterday. John Hubbard, 267. 542, Bill Adams from Trenton. And rider number 165, Paul Ibbotson from Gananoque, complete the field as we prepare for this combined sprint event. First among the 650 pros. In third, Robin Bennett, 74, runs in fourth, and it's Grant Foster, number 75, in fifth. And now here comes David Church, carving his way up through the field on bike number 233. Dave Klassen, number 19, your race leader. Frank Mrazek, number 7, runs in second place, now coming under fire from Doug Staton, 73, and Robin Bennett, 74, and the number 75 machine. Mighty obliging of them to have consecutive numbers on those bikes. Dave Klassen, however, stretching out his advantage on the number 19 Yamaha. Frank Mrazek, number 7, runs second on the Ducati ahead of Doug Staton in third, Robin Bennett in fourth. Now Grant Foster has been passed, and now here comes Bennett carving up on the inside, taking over third spot from Doug Staton as the field disappears. Racetrack, Dave Klassen, number 19, your race leader, number 7. And now up on the inside of Frank Mrazek comes Robin Bennett. In the entrance to the hairpin, Bennett takes over second spot. Now watch the horsepower of this Ducati as he just blows past Robin Bennett, setting off in pursuit of Dave Klassen, number 19. Mrazek opens up the throttles of the big 888, the carbon fiber back wheel, and taking a look at that motorcycle in the pits here yesterday. One of the most exotic motorcycles we've ever seen at Shannonville Motorsport Park. Just a beautifully prepared machine, the bike belonging to Jimmy Adamo. Here comes Dave Klassen, your race leader, as he comes through to complete the first lap. Klassen, number 19, already crowned as the season's champion in full open win. Mrazek, number 7, will open up the throttle. Number 19 continuing with the lead as he exits corner 3 and heads down towards the Sterling Moss carousel. Mrazek, number 7, hanging on to second spot, and Mrazek, of course, perhaps a little rusty after a season-long layoff, coming out of retirement to try to do battle with Dave Klassen, but Klassen has managed to split on the field as he holds about a 30 bike length advantage on this second of 5 laps. Routine Racing Services Pro 250 Grand Prix competitors to the pre-grid, please. Your race is next. Klassen, 19, holds the lead. Mrazek, 7, runs second. Here comes Robin Bennett, number 74, in third. In fourth spot, it's number 73, Doug Staton. Then David Church, the first among the amateurs and a sure bet to go pro next season, runs in fifth spot. In sixth place, it's now Jim Watson as he's gotten around the number 75 machine of Grant Foster. And now Robin Bennett all over Mrazek through corner 9 and heading up into the hairpin. And once again, Bennett squares the corner off, dives to the inside and takes Mrazek. But on acceleration, Mrazek once again opens the throttles. It must be very frustrating indeed for Robin Bennett to have to work so hard in the twisty parts of the racetrack to make up the advantage, only to have Mrazek open the throttles on that big 888 Duke coming out of corner 11. Our race leader, number 19, Dave Klassen, through the chicane, heading down to Allen's corner. In second place, 7, Mrazek, gaining ground on Klassen now, or so it would appear. 74, Bennett runs in third. In fourth, it's Staton. Fifth is Church. Sixth is Watson. Seventh is Foster. Eighth is Simon Vale. In ninth, it's Charles Mackay. 10th, Bernie Ryan. Start line is there. Look at that start line when it crosses it. 2 Honda Hawk riders. But after you push the black one, doing that after that, push the red one. Pro 250 Grand Prix to the pre-grid. grid, please. Your race is next. Pro
You only push the black one the first time he comes by next, and after
your
that
race
push the
is
red
next.
one.
Klassen disappearing behind the
And then
trees
at the
with
very
the lead.
last lap, hit the black button
Second
again.
place continues to be Mrazek. Here comes Robin Bennett, and once again, all through the twisty sections of the racetrack, Bennett making up ground on Mrazek, only to see the hard work go for nothing when they get out onto the back straight, and Mrazek opens the throttles on that big throaty tooth. Up now into the hairpin for race leader Klassen, number 19. And now Robin Bennett has gotten around
Next time he comes around.
Mrazek even earlier than he did on the previous laps when he had been passing in the entrance to the hairpin. Doug Stadden now trying to catch a bit of a draft from Mrazek, and here comes Mrazek on horsepower, shaboom. As the Ducati comes through and takes second place back from Robin Bennett, number 74. Klassen, meanwhile, having a race all by himself up in the lead. Coming down now under braking into the left-hander at Allen's corner. They'll get the half-distance flag at the completion of this lap. Frank Mrazek, number 7, runs second. Robin Bennett, 74, is third. 73, Doug Stadden runs in fourth spot. In fifth is first amateur David Church. Then 369, Jim Watson runs in sixth. Seventh place belongs at the moment to Grant Munson. Carousel. Once again, Frank Mrazek caught up to by the tandem of Robin Bennett and Doug Stadden, and now Stadden really hanging on. Robin Bennett. Catalog has to offer. Stadden, a new father, racing on a much more limited budget, and he's been out there giving Robin Bennett as much as he can handle all season long. Meanwhile, disappear through corner 7. Mrazek, number 7, runs second. It's still Bennett in third and Stadden in fourth. Route 2 Pro 250 Grand Prix competitors to the pre-grid, please. Your race is next as Robin Bennett closes it up on braking in the transition to corner 7. Mrazek giving away a considerable amount of real estate, but he knows that all he's got to do is get out of the hairpin and open the throttle up. He'll be able to gobble the smaller displacement Honda without too much trouble at all. And now up into corner 9, side by side.
Every time he comes by.
Mrazek holds the advantage as
with
Jim
the black
Watson
one,
is ridden
hit the
right
red
off
one
the
after that
racetrack.
every time. That's,
The
remember,
number 369 machine, the white Kawasaki of Jim Watson,
the next time
riding
Frank
right
came by,
off to
hit
the
the red
entrance to corner 9. Down the back straightaway. Second place rider Frank Mrazek, with Klassen now well clear of the field. He'll get the last lap flag from starter Larry Tate as he crosses start-finish. Pro 250 Grand Prix competitors to the pre-grid, please. Your race is next. Here comes driver number 19. He gets the last lap flag. Running in second spot, Frank Mrazek. And the challenge that Klassen was concerned about not really materializing here, as we have to give him riding unfamiliar equipment here on Jimmy Adamo. Mrazek still showing that he has a touch of the magic that has made him a legend in Canadian motorcycle road racing. Klassen 19, your race leader. 7, Mrazek runs in second spot. Doug Stadden still fighting all over Robin Bennett. Fight for third place. Bennett holding the advantage over Stadden. Mrazek now well clear of those two riders. As any hope that Bennett may have had of overhauling Mrazek for second place overall in this race has all but evaporated. Mrazek now through corner 6, heading down towards 7. Klassen already behind the trees. We expect him to emerge, and he does so. Bennett running towards David Church, an unbelievable ride for this amateur rider. He's been retired for several seasons. He'll have black numbers next year, and he will be a force to be reckoned with in the Pro 650-inch category in 1993. Of that you can be sure. Down the back straightaway, our race leader, number 19, Dave Klassen. In second spot, it's the number 7 machine of Frank Mrazek. And now watch Mrazek stretch out the advantage over the two Honda Hawks of Robin Bennett and Doug Stadden. Klassen, meanwhile, he gets crossed up under heavy braking after riding through that patch of water on the Nelson circuit. Now down through corner 15 onto the start-finish straightaway. Waving to the fans, he comes up, picks up the front wheel, and Dave Clausen takes the checkered flag. Now here we go, under braking, the battle for third and fourth. Bennett, it's Stadden with the inside line, but Bennett closes the door as Stadden had gotten past on braking. Mrazek will come through to take second spot. And now here comes Bennett. Category. Sixth place finisher, number 75. Second amateur in the 650 category, Don McPhail finishing 7th overall. Here comes our 8th place finisher.
The brake work,
That's old man.
Watch out, they're coming off the truck.
Yeah, I'm good to the battery. Well,
Holy shit. Well, I was not too good,
he's
huh?
alive. He looks like he's sweating a little bit there.
The old man's a little red, isn't he?
Well,
You got some
I
color
guess
in
I'm
your
old
face.
now, you know?
You got some color in that face.
Scotty, stop it.
I'm waiting for something profound. Is your face shield fogging off?